And we're underway. Come on then. This is so we can say can't come in. This doesn't happen on TV, does it? Hey? That don't happen on TV. Hey? Run over.
He probably wouldn't about walking along
Well,
filming ourselves.
yeah, that's it. He slowed down because he thinks, hang on, what are we on Channel 4? Come on. Now, no, where are we? No, we don't know where we are. Really, do we? Whoa! I'm falling over. It's a long and winding road. I'm not sure. You know, you take it. Well, it's a long way to tip anything actually, apart from dog poo. There's plenty of that down here, isn't there? Now, normally, you see, when we're doing this, we talk about things. We usually talk about food, don't we?
But we don't have any.
We haven't got any. We've not got none. I know, you've got a picture of us. So, we may have to end up talking. Hang on, we're going to. Oh, they're all coming at us now. Hi there. Well, that's nice and friendly. The natives are friendly. So, because we don't talk about food.
Grateful, I think, is what I'm doing.
Well, they are, aren't they? I've seen that programme on TV. Look for the drone. Look for the drone. No, because I think our conversations get different now. We're getting elderly, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no need to cry for the passing years. You've got tears.
Yeah.
So.
Cool, I was laughing about people wondering how weird we are.
Oh, weird we are, yeah. Oh well. We don't care. We're enjoying ourselves, aren't we? That's good. We talk about. Now normally what we have to do now is say a bit of poetry. They always have a bit of poetry, don't they? Shall we have a quick chorus of the Good Ship Venus?
How do you think that?
We better not. It's only poem, I know.
More dog poo.
More dog poo.
More dog poo.
More dog poo.
It's the same type of bag as well.
It's in a green bag. An eco-friendly bag, but tossed to one side still. Oh, we've got something coming up in there.
Some
What
wood.
is it? It's like another timber yard. Woohoo! Hello people. It's us. Well, I think.
I wonder if I can actually see anything.
You can see where we're going now. Yeah. And then turn it right.